Hey YouTube, Garage Race here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the AC blower on a 2007 Lincoln Navigator, same as the 2007 Expedition. I think it's 2004 to 2007 or maybe 2008 as well. I'm going to show you how to diagnose the problem first to make sure it's your AC blower, and I'm going to put a link in the description if you want to buy it, and the price and everything. Just check the description if you want to buy it online, which is where I bought it from. And I'm going to also show you how to test your blower at the end of the day to see if it's working or not. So here we go. So first of all, my blower is not working, my front blower. And how do I know that? Is because I turn on the car, and when the car's on, I turn on the system, and it doesn't blow at all. There's no, you don't hear the blower, you don't hear no air coming out, no movement at all. Now if I do the back does work, and the air in the black works, and you can hear it and you can feel it, air coming out, and you can hear the blower. Now this doesn't. Now my air is cold because my air in the back is cold. My pipes in the front get cold, my AC piping and stuff, so everything gets cold, but there's no air coming out. That means your blower, which is located down there, is bad. First thing to do before replacing it, check your relays in the front. You can check your Lincoln Navigator manual, and you can see which relays and fuses work for the AC blower. They'll say blower on it, AC blower. Make sure they're good. You can swap them with other relays of the same size to see if it turns on. So that's the first thing to do. If that doesn't work, if that doesn't fix your issue, then your issue is your blower, which is down there. I'm gonna show you how to remove it. Very easy. You don't need any tools. And I'm gonna show you how to test it. So just come in here and put your hand back here. And I kind of did a little bit of it already, so I can, just for the sake of the video, but just pull this up, and this is gonna pop. It's just clips, nothing else holds it. Put this on the side. Then you're gonna come in here, and this little plastic, you're gonna pull it towards you, just like this. Then we want to remove this, which then you're gonna just pull to the side. Again, it's all clips, and I'm gonna show you the location of the clips just so you can not break your stuff. There you go. So as you can see, it's just two clips here on the side. So two clips here. You pull this out. It's good if you use a flat head. I'm doing everything with my hands and one hand. So put this on the side. And you're gonna come in here. This little black cover has two clips, which is one right here, which I kind of already took off, which is this one, and then one on this side. Just pull this out, just like that. Just that one click. Like I said, I already messed with it before, so it was a little bit loose. That's the second clip. So take that out, put it on the side. You're gonna come in here, and when you come down in here to the side, that's your blower right there, which we'll get to it in a minute. We're gonna have to remove the floor mat. Just pull it back. So also take out this clip, this board. Just bring it out. It has one clip, which is in there, which is this. Take that, put it on the side, and I'm gonna come in here and move this carpet back so we can have some space. All right, just like that. Very simple. Okay. You see that's our blower? Okay. Okay guys, so this is the blower as I mentioned before. And what you want to do is take this off. How do you take this plug off? You just push in here and pull and just wiggle with it. It's hard in there. You gotta make sure you push the side. And what I'm gonna do is, you don't have to do this, but just for the sake of the speed and all that, I'm just gonna use some pliers, which is very dangerous. It can mess up your plug, but I'm just gonna do this for you guys. There you go. So, see, this is what you have to push back. All right, very easy. That's the blower. Now on this blower, if you see here, there's two clips for this cover. Just press this and bring it down, just like that. And you can press it again and pull the whole thing out, just like that. So just take the whole thing out. That way it won't bother us. Put it aside. Now that's your blower. And now what you have to do is very simple. You're just gonna twist it counterclockwise and your blower just falls down, you see? Okay, now that it's down, it's where it becomes a bit tricky because as you can see, it's hitting back there, but what you have to do is kind of wiggle it and make sure it gets through that. Let me push this to the side. Obviously use both of your hands. And our goal is to just bring it out, so you kind of have to like turn it and bring it out. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna need both of my hands because you kind of have to see, as you can push the floor back there. So just that. Let me just pull. See if I can. Yeah, I'm gonna use both of my hands, but just pull and it comes out through here. Okay. So pull this out, and I'm gonna show you how to test your blower. Okay, so I took it out, and the best thing to do is to, whenever you're bringing it out, just see kind of what that happened. Kind of just push this in with one hand, and then with the other hand just bring it out. And same with here, you can push this and bring it out. It was very easy, but you kind of need both of your hands. Now this is your blower. Like I mentioned before, you can purchase it at the link below. And then I'm gonna show you how to test this with your car battery and a cable. So let me show you how to do that. But this is what's broken, and replacing it is very easy. If you like this video, please subscribe, give us a like, comment, and I hope this video helped you. If it helped you, share it, tell your friends. I want to say it's a kind of an infamous fix because it's kind of common. I had a few expeditions before. I never had this issue, but going online and searching, I found out that a lot of people have this issue. So let me show you how to test this, and you can purchase the new one at the link below. So to check the blower is very simple, and actually this actually fixed the blower. I'll get to that into just a second. I guess my blower was stuck and the extra power just gave it a boost. What you're gonna do is just gonna need two wires. So I put the wire in the negative and the positive of the battery, and then as you can see, those are the wires. And I'm gonna connect them to the blower. I'm gonna have my assistant help me to record when I do this. So just give me 1 second and I'll explain everything. Okay guys, so very simple. I have a thick wire, so what I did is just I loosened up some of the hairs of the wire. Put any of the cables touching one of those plugs. And it doesn't matter if you do negative or positive. The only difference will be that if you do it like the backwards, the fan's gonna turn the other way. So it doesn't really matter. But how you test it is you just make the connection, and as you can see how it turns on, just when you touch it. There you go. So what happened is I did this and it automatically I guess fixed my blower. It was first a little bit stuck, and I heard like a little click, so I guess it wasn't stuck. Maybe it just sat for a while, but it's fixed it. So I'm gonna put it back. It may not last for long or whatever, but it's working, so I'm gonna keep using it. But if yours is not working, if yours is still having issues, just look at the link that I have below where you can check it out online and buy it from a very trusted source and with really good reviews, because I checked a lot online and a lot of them had bad reviews, but that's the one that I put in the link below is the only one with great reviews, and everybody was happy about it. And installation is very easy. So but thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video.